Hi, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can create and edit custom fields for your command contacts. So in command contacts here, when you have a contact and you want to actually add that in, there's lots of fields here that you can enter data, but maybe there's something specific that you like to know or connect with your contacts about. Maybe it's your niche in the market. Maybe it's something like a sports team or their children's names and ages so that you can connect with them on a family level. You can create that custom field within Command and then apply it either to all of your contacts or just individual ones as you choose to. And that way you can collect that data on their contact profile within Command and retain it for whenever you have a conversation with them in the future. To create a custom field, you would first go to your name in the top right and go down to Settings. From here, you would go to Command Settings on the left, down to Contacts, and then down to Custom Fields. This is where you can come in and create custom fields. So at the top right, we'll create a custom field. And let's say we're going to do one for a pie giveaway. So go ahead and name your custom field. And this way we can start collecting what pie each person likes so that we will have it ready when that event rolls around. For the custom field type, you can actually choose a lot of different types. It could be just a simple text field where you can free type. It could be a drop-down menu where you could check off like which one it is, kind of choose from which option. A date, checkbox, it's just so many here that you can choose from. We're going to do a drop-down, and let's say we know that when we do a pie giveaway, we do two different types. And then we'll add another option and say the other one is pecan. All right. And so when we have a drop down field on our contacts, these will be the two different types of pies that we can choose from and easily enter that information onto our contact. You can also make this a default custom field. That means that on every single contact profile within your command database, this particular field will be there so that you can easily fill in this information. If you prefer, don't make it a default. And that way you only go in and add this particular custom field to select contacts as you want to add that information. We're going to choose not default and leave this box unchecked so that we can show you how to add this custom field when it is not a default. So we'll choose create. And now your custom field has been created. It will be back here in the custom field section. You can click pencil to come back and edit it or choose the trash can to actually delete it if you ever choose to. Now, let me show you how to actually add that into a contacts profile so that you can collect that data. So over here in the contacts tab, we'll just click into one of our contacts by clicking on the name and choose the pencil right here to edit. If you come down to the very bottom, choose custom. And this will show you we have several default custom fields, so they are always right here. You don't have to manually add them. The field is just right here. All you have to do is click in and start entering data. Since we chose for our pie giveaway custom field to not be a default, we'll just need to come right here to add custom field and begin typing the name of it and choose it from the drop down. So pie giveaway. Now, pie giveaway is a field on this particular contact profile, and we can see our drop-down menu right here so we can pick from one of the two pies that we selected or we created. So we'll go ahead and choose pecan and click save. And now that data is right here on this contact profile, should we ever need to reference it. And so it will appear within your contact profile over here on the bottom left under custom fields. If you ever need to edit those custom fields again, remember it's your name over here on the top right. Go to settings, command settings on the left, contacts, and then custom fields. And again, this will allow you to search for the custom field and make edits or delete them. If you have any questions about this or anything to do with your KW platforms, please feel free to reach out to us via email. And our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com. And we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.